In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a subdomain on Hostinger and install WordPress on it. So when you log into your Hostinger account, you're going to be greeted with a dashboard like this. The first thing you want to do is to come to this site. You can either click here to go to websites, or rather, you can come to your hosting. The reason why you see I have these two here is because I work with Hostinger, so it gives me access to some of these things. So I'm going to click on all these particular websites. I will choose this particular one and it's going to bring me there. When I come to this dashboard, you can see I have almost all my resources used up, but I'm just going to do this for demonstration purposes. What I want to do is to come to this left-hand side. I'll look for domains, click on the drop down, choose subdomains. And then here, I can go ahead and create any of these new domains. I can just say, let's say new sub dot this. So this is the root domain. This is the subdomain. I'll click on create. It's going to take time to load. And if I look for it here, I see the new sub dot donodio.com. Now I want to install WordPress on it. I'm simply going to come to websites, click on that, click on auto installer. And then this one's already installed. If I go here, I can see quite a number of them. I'm going to click on WordPress. I want to install it here. I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to give it an email address. I've given it the username. I've also given it the password. Very important. Make sure to click on advanced. If I just go ahead and click on next, it's going to install on this root domain. But I want it to be installed on this subdomain. Sub, which is sub, new sub. Where is it? Here it is, new sub. So that's where I want it to be installed. As for these subdirectories, leave those. Database, leave those. It's going to be automatically created for you. I'll click on next. And then I can select the latest WordPress version, my language, and then the PHP version. I can go up to 8.3. It's still in beta. It's still a beta version, so I'm going to use 8.2. Select the updates. Do you want to turn off automatic application updates? Update only to minor versions, or only always update to latest version? I'll leave it as default, and it's going to install right now. Now I'm brought to this screen and it shows me that it's been installed. I can upgrade to get the Hostinger AI website builder. I don't need this for now. All I need to do is just to click on WordPress admin, and it's going to take me to the dashboard of that website. So here it is, it's loading. So this is it. I see all of this here, and you see all of this because the Hostinger default plugin is installed. If I come to appearance themes, these are the default themes. You can delete some of these. These ones are not necessary. I'll delete these. I'll come to plugins. I have just one plugin, which is the Hostinger by default. Okay, actually there are 3 Hostinger, so you can disable all of these. Just deactivate them. And now you have your website. If I now come to the dashboard, you see you are not going to see that Hostinger thing there anymore. So this is it. That is in a nutshell how to create a subdomain on Hostinger and install WordPress on it. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a mega menu using WordPress. Stay tuned. God bless you.